This is so much fun playing with the toy cash register.
Hi there, Dark Kaitlyn Bowser Jr. I heard you playing with the toy cash register. Can I play with the toy cash register, and you pretend to shop for groceries? It's just pretend money.
No. I am not sharing the toy cash register with you.
Dark Kaitlyn Bowser Jr. We need to share the toy cash register. So let me use the toy cash register while you shop for groceries.
I said no. Can you please go away?
Please share the toy cash register with me.
No way, I am just an animator. I said no. I am not sharing the toy cash register with you, GiamJustinAnimator.
Dark Kaitlyn Bowser Jr. How dare you refuse to share the toy cash register with me? That's it. Go home right now while I call your parents. Hello parents. This is Galaxy Sonic Pacific the Go Animator 2K8 speaking. Did you know what Dark Kaitlyn Bowser Jr. did? He refused to share the toy cash register with me. Make sure you ground him when he gets home. Okay. Bye.
Dark Kaitlyn Bowser Jr. We just got a call from Galaxy Sonic Pacific Animator 2K8, GiamJustinAnimator. He said you refused to share the toy cash register with him.
That's it. You're grounded for 555 years.
Now march upstairs to bed right now. Or else we will send you to North Korea.
Wow.